Hello everyone, it's Xer Forever. Today we're going to be finishing our review of Sophos Home. I'm joined by Reagan again, like usual.
I ride eternal, shiny and chrome.
Basically, Reagan's been around for quite a while. In case you hadn't watched any of the other videos, you might want to go do that so you know who Reagan is. Anyway, so yeah, Sophos Home. Well, yeah, we've got the shields off. We have a pack of malware on the desktop, and we are ready to do this. Just it's going to be a little bit of a pain in the butt because I'm going to have to wait like 15-20 seconds before I can actually turn the shields back on later after I finish the scan. But yeah, we'll go ahead and do the scan real quick. We'll pause and we'll come back when the scan's finished, and we will make sure it takes care of everything it finds, and we'll be back in this. Or we're back for just a moment. So yeah, I just forgot to mention that there is actually 598.
What?
598 files left in the folder. So yeah.
Only?
No, yeah, that's a pretty good sample size, to be honest. I mean, yeah, 598 files in the folder. The scan is taking quite a bit of time. It's been going for probably about, I'd say, 5 to 10 maybe minutes, something like that. It's taken a bit of time. I've seen slower scans though. I think it's almost done. So we'll come back when it actually gets finished. Alright, we're back. So yeah, Sophos finally finished scanning. Took quite a while for it to scan. Not really sure why it took so long. However, it left 129 files out of, if I can open the text document, 598. So let's do a little bit of math here. We've got 598 minus 129. That's 469 divided by what was it? 598. Okay. That's a 78% detection ratio.
That's one of our lowest.
It's okay. It's a mid to average score, to be honest. It's not the best, but it's not the worst. I have seen better. There is definitely better options, for what I can tell, for this particular percentage. There is some antiviruses that are out there that are a little bit worse, and these are 0-day samples, so it may not have them up to date quite yet. However,
I mean, that's what we've been testing everything
Yeah,
with,
yeah.
so...
no, it detected the threat. I didn't even have to do anything. I just turned on the shields and it just immediately started detecting something. What did it detect? Oh boy. Oh, wait.
See, that's kind of annoying.
Hold on. Delete. Am I gonna have to click every single one of these delete buttons? Are you serious?
Yeah, it looks like it. Okay, there's an improvement that can be made. If Sophos are watching, please add a delete all.
Yes, a delete all button would be very, very much appreciated. Good God,
Or at least, like,
guys.
checkboxes we can go down the list with.
What? Oh, that's the configuration of the notification area icon. Okay. But requires a full scan of your computer to completely remove it? Are you serious? Okay, clean. So we're actually still cleaning out some stuff, so we'll actually go ahead and recalculate this in a second. It seems to be still wanting to delete a few things out of this folder. We'll come back when we've actually deleted everything out of the folder. Okay, we're back. Jeez, that took way longer than it needed to.
Yeah, that was fairly fiddly.
Oh, that was awful. Alright, let's recalculate this. We have 58 items out of 598. So let's see here.
That's what, like 80-90%, right?
So
Head math says like 90.
598 minus 58 divided by 598. 90% detection
Yeah,
rate.
90. Damn, I'm good.
Yep. And actually, that shouldn't be there because it's a bitmap image. Okay. Wait, I wonder if this is an
But what
infected
if it's a...
bitmap.
Yeah, I think it might be.
Nope, it's literally nothing. Okay.
Wait, hold on. Wait, if you submit the virus code or something, did it come up?
I don't think.
You don't.
Yeah, honestly don't think there's anything because I would have seen it probably a detection, and there's nothing in memory that I can see that is doing anything. So, I don't think there's anything with that. I think it's just a file one of the malware had with it or something. I don't know. It's just weird. Anyway, so yeah, we have some few files left over here, so we can go ahead and run these and see what we get. So 90% detection ratio, that's not bad. That's better than what we had originally anticipated. I think turning on the shields actually updated its virus database maybe, or like maybe it's some kind of cloud-based scan and it has some local signatures. I'm not sure exactly how this antivirus works. So, anyway, we'll go ahead and run some of these and see what we can see what we get here. This looks interesting. It's like a fake Internet Explorer with some kind of like worm inside the Internet Explorer icon. Okay, sure, let's go with that. Let me get Process Explorer up here. That one's in memory.
Right
it
off
is
the bat,
verified though. It does have a digital signature and it's
What is
unknown.
YY Inc. though?
I don't know. It's some Chinese company, I guess. Let's see what this one is. Right in memory. No behavioral blocking for this application, it seems. Just walks right through. That one actually crashed. So did that other one, I believe. Yeah, both those applications just crashed. So those both just crashed. Those ones that we just ran just both disappeared in memory. This one's claiming to be
Windows Internet Explorer with a bunch of.
This one's claiming to be from the Microsoft Corporation as well, but it has no digital signature. Okay. Cabinet self-extractor.
It's getting killed off, but I'm not sure by why. Or by what.
I don't know.
Is that an upstairs alert?
No, it's some kind of... Oh, actually, I think I've seen this before somewhere. I don't know what this logo is, but I've seen it somewhere. This looks interesting. That one went in his pack, and it just got killed. So, is something in the background?
That's kind of annoying because it doesn't mention anything about it.
Yeah, it isn't... I don't know if it's killing things in the background or what's happening, but it seems to be...
Can you open a program like 6 or 7 times and see if you can crash the thing?
That one isn't even running anymore.
All at once.
Okay, let's try this one. Nope. Nothing. Let's try this one. Nothing in memory. This one. I saw something happen. I don't know what I saw, but I saw something. Nope.
I'm not exactly certain what it's doing.
There's administrator?
It seems to be doing okay, I think.
I don't know if it's killing these or not, to be honest. It doesn't actually specify. It does. Okay, that one actually did get into memory. This looks like a legitimate BitTorrent setup. Okay.
I mean, we've seen this one before, I believe.
Have we? Oh, yeah.
Is this the one that's packed with a bunch of adware and shit?
Yeah, it might be.
Not really? Oh, wait. Go back. What's all this shit?
That's just usually for the... Yeah, they usually offer you a bundle and stuff. So that looks okay.
I don't use uTorrent for obvious reasons.
I don't know. That's missing a DLL. That one made, and it dropped something, I think. Yep, it dropped something into memory, and it's sitting there now. Oh, this is a...
Oh, interesting.
This is interesting.
It was doing so well then.
This is weird. It doesn't have a... Doesn't have any advertisements. Interesting. Yeah, this one...
Isn't supposed to have signature?
This is packed.
Yeah, it's probably a...
This is probably malware, yeah, because this one's packed. Because that's a little bit... Not Process Explorer.
Wow.
I'm going to submit this to VirusTotal and see what they say about it. And I'll just minimize it for right now. Go ahead and run another one of these and see what we get.
What exactly is this thing trying to do? I'm curious. It's signed neighbor,
I don't know. We'll see
but it's
what it
malicious.
is. It might be benign. It might just be because it could be like Process Explorer. Yeah, see, it's suspected. It doesn't actually something about Quick Pass. Oh, actually, that looks like that thing we got earlier. That like key thing, where it was like something about passwords or password security or something. Some kind of foreign thing.
Oh, it might be a something trying to scoop passwords.
I don't know. It got 1 of 56, and it says it's okay. It says it might be okay. So
Shrug. Still.
not sure. Let's see what this one does.
I don't like the unsigned, unpacked.
Yeah, I don't like this. I don't like
unsigned
this
pack.
unsigned packed
Okay.
uTorrent. That's a little bit sketchy to me. Okay, that one was blocked. It was program data Microsoft Windows Start menu. So it blocked something. There.
Was it trying to inject things into
It was
the...
trying to create a start menu option.
Whoa.
This one.
It's actually still there.
No, it didn't actually detect that the main file, but it did actually detect the thing it dropped.
Something got dropped.
Yeah. Oh,
Still.
I got another detection. It's detecting that thing again, so it's.
Oh, it's injecting itself into startup, and that's it. It doesn't like that, but it doesn't mind the actual file itself.
Yeah, it isn't detecting the actual file, but it is detecting the file it's dropping. So.
It's probably going to keep doing that as long as the process is open.
I am gonna go ahead and
Because it wants to
terminate
get into a
this. Yeah,
startup.
I'm gonna kill it just for my sanity. Yeah, it says it's a
Yeah. Now we're
proxy Trojan. So it's probably a Trojan that filters your traffic through its own proxy or something. Probably like similar to Zeus or something to the effect of that.
Well, I mean, we got things that say that it's it drops stuff or
Denial of service Nital. Yeah, it's a Nital Trojan. So yeah, it
Nital.
right here, Microsoft. It's a denial
Yeah,
of
it
service
also
Trojan.
says these two guys say it. So.
Yeah, it interrupts internet connectivity sometimes. Wonder what it feels like it. Let's see what we got here. That one's failed.
But wait, it went in.
Did it? Oh yeah, it did.
Unsigned.
And it just terminated.
Oh. Okay.
That one didn't.
Probably
make
because it
any
doesn't have whatever it was.
runtime
Whatever
error. Yeah.
prereqs it said.
Needs that framework.
Yeah, the net framework.
That dies the moment I press OK to that. What's this? In memory, Lenovo Black Silk
Fake
USB
Lenovo.
key. Yeah, it would be signed. This uTorrent thing's taking an awful long time to scan, I should say, as well. That's interesting.
Yeah, that one's still that fake Lenovo thing's just chilling.
I don't know what it is. I'll send it to VirusTotal as well. Send it to VirusTotal.
Just submit everything.
Oh, hey.
Solity.
Behaves like Solity. Yeah, it could theoretically be Solity too. It could just be a copy of Solity that Well, this one says 132
Isn't
application
packed
Open Candy G. It's packed,
I'm not familiar.
but I don't.
I'm not familiar with Open Candy, but
Open Candy's an
it is
adware.
possible that they just added.
I think
these things to
McAfee
the
always
standard
detects everything as
info.
fucking Solity. Honestly,
Solity.
everything is
Solity?
Solity. If it behaves like it, it'll detect it.
Tell us in the comments that you want us to review McAfee. We know you do.
Oh God, no, please. Oh, that was Wild Tangent. That's about Ancient and a half. Jesus, I haven't seen that in a while.
What
Wild Tangent. I haven't seen it in a while.
is that?
It's old. It's a game thing. It's like a game company
Hmm.
thing. They sell game. It's like Steam, like the original like Steam thing, kinda. They just sell really like shitty games.
Just select all and then run them.
Oh God, that's not gonna go well.
See if you can overload the Sophos thing.
Update.log. What's this? Half pending version.
Oh, that's one of the things you ran, I think. It dropped this.
Huh. Weird.
What was the
Check for
second line on
update
it?
policy GameYY.com. Oh yeah, that's that YY thing that ran. What's that? What?
The second line on it.
Oh, I don't know. Have pending
Update
version or come with
delegate.
status code. Stop update.
With other
with other thread call stop.
Thread is supposed to stop.
It doesn't really say much except for some jargon.
It's probably like, oh shit, I'm getting terminated.
Oh God!
Now that got detected.
Did you see? Yeah, finally.
No.
Did you see how big that freaking crap was on that? When I hovered over that one, how much stuff it was trying to execute when it was running?
No.
Trojan patched Rengen. Wrong inf A. What the hell does that mean? Suspicious.
Wrong information.
Oh yeah, it's
noticing the signature.
It's noticing the Lenovo, but it's saying that there's no signature detected for it. No digital certificate.
I mean, it's clearly a falsified Lenovo product.
Yeah, just the question is, what's it doing?
Falsified Lenovo thing. Exactly. That's always the question. Oh, fake flak.
Oh, that one disappeared. It had to have gone somewhere because it just disappeared.
Did it go up?
I didn't catch that. I might have to go back and look at that one in recording. See, because I didn't see what it did in memory. It could have probably ran a command prompt that quick. That was pretty fast, actually, surprisingly.
What's this?
What's this one?
No, the one above.
Outlook Express cannot be started because that's not found.
Oh, once you actually have Outlook Express, but it's like
see, look, it's a packed version of Outlook. That's not legit.
It's a fake version of Outlook. I think it's gonna climb into your actual Outlook and like sit there and watch what your emails are.
Something.
Because otherwise, it wouldn't be waiting for your DLL that comes with Outlook.
Yeah, something like that. I don't know exactly what it would be doing, to be honest. Nope, that did something. Reg repair.
What the fuck is going on?
It says reg repair.
Wait, is this flashing?
Yeah, it's flashing because I'm running the application and it keeps running and then dying the moment I run it. It goes into memory and then just dies instantly.
A fake registry tool?
It's reg repair, apparently. Oh, hey, a fake notepad. That's legit.
Fake.
No signature was found. It's reporting it's from
Sweet, we just got 3 unsigned variants of like normally legit programs.
Eldorado Trojan. It seems.
Yeah.
Trojan generic. Yeah, so that one.
Oh, was it here?
Viper.
Viper picked it up.
Well, I mean, obviously it's something, considering it's probably like gonna try to replace Notepad, and it's like, yeah, you're supposed to enter something in there because people use Notepad to store their bank details sometimes. So you get derpy people.
I'll tell you what I use Notepad for.
Please no. I don't think we want to know what you use it for.
Gotta stack my links. Oh yo, that guy's got a funny ass face.
I ran it, but he didn't do anything. Whoa, hi.
Oh. SimMotion?
OPC file manager, no idea. What one?
It's fake though.
Printer thing, I guess. That one ran. And it disappeared. Wait, I'll just run this one real quick, I guess.
Fake game.
I don't even know what that icon is. It looks like 3 people. Oh, God,
like
what?
Brat. The fuck? What? Did this do something?
No. What the hell was that?
It did it.
Okay.
Oh, yo.
That was interesting. What the
that?
hell, Trojan? What the fuck was that? What the hell?
Hey, whoa! Something killed that thing that was trying to drop something. You remember the thing that was just sitting there trying to drop? It's gone now. The one that was above this one.
Oh no, I killed that one.
Oh, did you?
There was another one that was the arrows pointing around at one another, but yeah, this one, it was running in memory, but it's disappeared.
Yeah, it just did now. If you go back and look at the recording, it did it when you scroll back down. It was like, what the? Whoa, stuff is just dying. But I think that was intended.
I don't know if Sophos did that and just deleted everything in this folder or what, but
I know. It's probably like too much malicious.
Something just massacred that folder.
Well, you might want to look at your online control panel, see if it gave you a log.
Yeah.
Otherwise, it was one of the things you ran. But this,
I think
they
it
just
might have been
randomly
that
deleted your folder.
weird game thing I ran did that, but it's not in memory. That's the thing, unless it wrote into something else.
Wait, actually, that would make sense. If it just deletes everything in the folder, these were the things that were already running, so it couldn't
Yeah, I
delete
couldn't
them.
delete them.
That's just such a dumb idea for a virus.
Well,
It just deletes everything in the
wipes
folder.
anything in the same folder. Wait, let me check the C drive. um,
We need to bring another copy and put it here.
I don't think we're missing anything.
Whoa, twunk? What the fuck is that?
That's legit.
No,
This
down
right here,
there.
that's legit.
Is
Yeah.
it? I've never seen that before.
Yeah, it's legit.
Twunk.
It's a Windows file.
Sometimes Windows names their stuff really shitty.
Yeah.
Cisternal's Process Explorer. That's this.
Yeah, that's this.
Isn't it? Okay, I didn't know it was called
Sysinternals.
I've never heard that. Oh, Sysinternal. I can't read. Fun fact. It's a learning experience for everyone.
Yeah. All right. Well, not really sure what to think about that. I'm gonna go ahead and run a scan real quick with Hitman, and we'll come back if once that scan's finished. We'll see what we have. All right, we're back. Hitman found the Trojan, and it found whoops. Well, it found the Trojan, and then it found the uTorrent thing, and it's just saying that the uTorrent thing is actively listening for network connections and stuff. So
And specifically the
HTTPS. So what this uTorrent thing might actually be doing is it could theoretically be listening in the background. So when you go to HTTPS websites, it could be tampering with the certificate. I don't know if it's actually. Let's see here. Is it tampering with the certificate? Let me view the certificate. Google Authority G2? No, maybe it isn't, actually. But it theoretically could be. So what it could do is it could drop a certificate into the trust store of your computer, and it can replace this certificate with its own, so it can read the encrypted traffic between you and Google, or you and PayPal, for example, or your whatever other banking agency you may use. So this kind of stuff is actually really interesting to me, because it's just it's actively listening for connections.
Because we're
stuff.
terrible people.
So I just thought that one was a little bit interesting. Anyway, yeah, so I'm going to go ahead and remove this stuff, and yeah, we'll come back and give our final thoughts on Sophos. We'll be back. All right, we're back.
Recording.
So, yeah, basically we finished the scans. We got all of the couple things off that were on here. So yeah, all around, I think Sophos did a great job. Although I do recommend that Sophos change a couple things with this particular application. They really need to add a delete all button to their antivirus. Maybe, honestly, can you please give us the ability to, have settings on the application, or a config or something somewhere, please, so we can actually change the settings, locally, rather than having to use the web interface, because that thing is so slow. It takes a good 30 seconds for the web interface to actually kick in and actually change anything in the antivirus. It's irritating sometimes. And generally it also comes down to the fact that the interface is clean. The application has all these nice features. It has the really good signatures. It has really good web protection. It blocks potentially unwanted applications. It's from a reputable company with a big name. They've been working for and been protecting corporations for quite some time. They do a great job protecting corporations, but they really need to rethink they need to rethink and re-add some they need to rethink the application usability wise, because of that whole interface thing. I mean, I understand what this could be for, to just kind of install on a system and forget about it and just have the monitoring there. But I would say this would be a good second opinion or secondary scanner. I wouldn't necessarily recommend this as a main antivirus per se. This would be good with something else. If you took Komodo Firewall and put it with this, you would have a top-notch security solution. Sure, you have the configuration issues that you would have to have with Komodo Firewall. You have to configure the HIPs, so you have to configure the behavioral analysis and stuff that it has that bundle with that. But all around, I think that this application can be good. It just needs to have a little bit of tweaking done with the interface, add a couple new buttons and stuff to be able to make the usability aspect a little bit better. and then they just need to do the behavioral analysis on malware, and some kind of sandboxing would be nice, or host intrusion prevention system. Aside from that, I think it's a great program, and yeah. Do you have anything else to add to that, Reagan?
In my opinion, web protection, fucking top notch on this guy. He did nearly perfectly, I think. Wasn't it just perfect? I think?
Yeah, it was perfect. There was that one that it did
the
miss, but it was like something that was just benign. I think it didn't really do anything to the system.
Yeah.
So
the malware scanning from the folder wasn't too good at all.
yeah,
But
the time it did take quite a bit of time to scan that folder. I have to admit, their scan speeds can improve
Yeah.
a little bit. Oh, and also on that note as well, there was I had another point here. I try to think of it.
well,
Continuing.
I'll continue
Yeah.
on the alerts thing where you have to delete like one at a time.
Yeah.
That needs a delete all button.
Definitely.
And if this thing had settings locally, I would probably use it. But the main thing that I don't like is like the scan wasn't too effective, but it really did do pretty decently when we were actually trying to run them. So
Yeah.
I mean, it
And if
kept most
it
of
had a
them down.
behavioral analysis or some kind of sandbox system, it would have been able to stop most of the stuff that we ran.
Yeah, I think
It just needs an
if you had
improvement in the zero-day
Komodo,
aspect, generally.
if you had Komodo sandboxing in the background, that would probably do decently because this would keep you from getting things. If you did get something, Komodo would keep it
One
away
thing
from
I
you.
do need to actually also interject here as well, they really need to add actual pop-up windows to notify the user rather than just like a little window that comes up and just like tells you, hey, something's been blocked. It needs to have an actual like interface-based window. Like take this, they make this square interface. Take a little square and have like Sophos Home Antivirus and have it slide up out of the taskbar and say, hey, this was detected, blah 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 blah. You know, and have a remove button right there. Don't make me have to go into the interface, click a button, go into here, find the thing I want to delete that specific thing. I mean, they really need to rethink the interface a bit. Definitely. And that really falls into the usability category, honestly. I still can't remember my point I was going to make as well. There was something else I was going to say, and I just totally blanked on it. I'm surprised also Sophos doesn't have like some kind of password manager in this, to be honest. Sophos is really big on the whole security aspect of things because, I mean, they obviously are a security company. So I'm surprised they didn't bundle anything else with this application. It is nice, however, that they don't advertise an application. If you want an application that is truly free and does not have any ads, that this is an application for you. If you want the application to be efficient and easy to manage, so if you have like maybe kids' computers and you want to block some websites and stuff, this is great for that. You could probably go in and tweak some of the settings inside the web filters and been able to basically stop anything.
Oh, yeah, the web filters did
Yeah.
good. We turned on the religion filter and then went to the Scientology website and some online churches website, and it did good. It kept
Yeah, we went
kept
to a
those
few
blocked.
different websites with that. We went to the religion websites. We went to an entertainment website at one point, and yeah,
entertainment in quotes.
entertainment like I think we went to YouTube and it blocked that as well. So it's really good. Like it's very selective on what you can block. Yeah. We didn't just inherently select the religion portion. It was just kind of a novelty thing, really, because that was kind of an odd thing to have, to be an option to select in the application. But it's there if you want to use
Makes
it.
It made sense to me to have, because, you're at work, you shouldn't be fucking around with your religious Bible studies classes website or whatever.
Yeah, I don't know. Personally,
I mean, if you're blocking
yeah.
one thing, block everything.
Yeah, I mean, it makes sense. You're supposed to be doing what you're supposed to be doing. But that's the thing, too, though. I mean, this is a home application, so they really can't use the enterprise. I think that's what they're doing, too. I think they're making it a little bit overly complicated because they're intending it to be more of an enterprise-grade application, but that's their mindset because Sophos has always been enterprise. They've never actually really done home much. So they're still kind of in their infancy on the home thing. See, that's the idea behind Sophos. I think what they're intending here is that this application is just to install and forget, and it lets you manage it from the web interface to give you kind of that remote access and remote like administration of your devices. But there's also the aspect that it's a little bit too enterprisey for home. It's a little bit sophisticated in the aspect of its terminology can be a little bit sophisticated. its interface is a little bit sophisticated. It's kind of hard and complex to find the particular correct website where you can log in and actually access the interface to control this thing. Um, but yeah, I mean, generally, it could be used by anybody. Like honestly, it's usable by anybody, but it can be a little bit more professional and sophisticated than it may need to be. Um, but yeah, generally, it's a great application. Like I said, I'd recommend bundling it with something else though. It could definitely benefit from, per se, Komodo Firewall or some other form of sandbox system. Maybe you could use it with Sandboxy, perhaps. Just something to add that extra line of defense just in case something does slip to the antivirus, because I think this thing is entirely based on signatures, and then its web URL database. But yeah, that's about all I have really to say on Sophos. Yeah, it needs a little bit of improvement, and it can be a really great application, or you can bundle it with something else, and it'd be perfect. So yeah, I'd like to thank you all for watching. Be sure to subscribe if you like this review and you'd like to see more. Leave a like if you thought this was if this was a good video and you found it informative or you found it helpful. And leave it a dislike if you didn't like this video, if you thought it was bad, if you think I'm a terrible person, whatever you might want to say. And leave a comment down below if you'd like to say, pitch in your 2 cents on the application, or maybe have a video idea. So yeah, just go ahead and do those things, and we'll talk to you next time. We'll probably have a video probably tomorrow night, maybe. We might take a little bit of a break. We've been doing videos quite consistently, so we might take a day off. If Reagan's not on, then I might take a day off, because I like to make the videos with Reagan a little bit, because it's better to have someone actually to talk to. But anyway, yeah, we're gonna get out of here. Get out of your hair. So yeah. See ya next time, everybody. You got anything else to say, Reagan?
No.
All right. See ya.